Hello guys, New Jersey WX here. So, some of you may know what happened on Thursday, June 20th, 2025. And just in case you don't know, well, there was a violent wedge tornado on the ground for, I don't know if it was on the ground, but yeah, it was a violent wedge tornado for Wilmington, Delaware. And look at that, literally, a PDS tornado warning was issued. So, if you don't have enough proof, just see for yourself. Up this office in IMBOT called Particularly Dangerous Situation, PDS, and then the top result will say, PHI issues tornado warning, PDS. And even says Southwestern Delaware County and Southeastern Pennsylvania, which meant my Nan was under it. It went off on the iPhone 5S, even though I was not in Glen Mills at the time. Let me show you. Yep, there it is. National Weather Service. Tornado warning in this area until 5:30 p.m. Take shelter now in a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of the city building. Thankfully, I was not hit by that tornado, but I was under this abomination. See, it says Swedesboro right there. Literally says Swedesboro. Anyway, let's just get straight into this ES compilation with a crap ton of SMWs and SVRs and a PDS tornado warning. Oh yeah, this also includes a required lately test at the end as well. Oh my god! Oh my god! Here we go! 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 SMW!
Including Baltimore Harbor until 3:15 p.m. At 1:39 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 16 nautical miles.
Yeah! Recom activated!
34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinewood, Newark State Park.
You have a tuner dot on this guy. It even says check operation.
Cools Island, and 7-foot roll. Move to Safe Harbor immediately as
Oh!
and highways are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Here is the official National Weather.
These went off when I least expected it.
Until 4 p.m.
What?
At 2:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles northeast of Tidal Basin, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard.
Really? You went off for an unrecognized statement? Oh! 48 knots!
Boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant.
I was eating Cheetos and then this happened.
Locations of Texas include Greenberry Point, Love Point, Kent Narrows Bridge, Chester River, Sandy Point State Park, Seven River, Tilchester Beach, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Wharton Point, and Annapolis. Boaters should seek Safe Harbor immediately.
You fine, HH-51?
Wind gusts in excess of 48 knots.
Oh.
Waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm. Here is the official.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New
SCR.
Northwestern Sussex County in southern Delaware, southern Kent County in central Delaware, east central Caroline County in eastern Maryland until 5 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Denton, 16 miles southeast of Centerville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour.
Oh!
And any size
70 miles per hour wind gusts.
radar indicated. Intact. Expect considerable tree damage.
Oh, it's considerable.
Likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations
Holy
active
crap,
include
dude.
Milford, Harrington, Glendale, Andrewsville, Felton, Greenwood, Bethesda, Houston, and Farmington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, and
This scared me a little.
Maryland. The following
Great, I literally just missed another severe thunderstorm watch. Are you kidding me?
thunderstorms until midnight. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles.
Are you kidding me?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Morris County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey until 4 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over High Bridge, 16 miles northwest of Somerville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, damaged roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Bridgewater, Mendham, High Bridge, Clinton, Peapack and Gladstone, Glen Gardner, Chester, Hampton, Lebanon, Collie, Cron, Far Hills, Long Valley, Annandale, Billington, Martinsville, White House Station, Basking Ridge, and Bernardsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. We will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, and Somerset. The following is a
Holy crap.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Brook Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Cornwall
Watch?
to Sandy Point, Maryland.
How is this a
From
watch?
Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay, Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor. Atchison River to Boone's Island, Maryland, until 6:15 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line.
Multiple severe
extending from 26
thunderstorms.
nautical miles north of Key Bridgeton near Alexandria to 12 nautical miles west of Aquia Creek, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots.
Oh!
Source, observed wind of 57 knots at Dulles in
What?
impact. Boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant
Recon,
damage
you
to high
suck.
winds. Locations impacted include Choptank River, Kent Narrows Bridge, York Point State Park, Manistee River, Rock Hall, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Dobbins Island, Blackwood Point, Pools Island, Couple Creek, Heron
This is
Bay,
crazy.
Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Northeast River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Calvert Cliffs, Poplar Island, and Parsons Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The following is a key advice.
Yeah, Jensen, shut up.
Warning for northeastern Hartford County in northern Maryland, Cecil County in northeastern Maryland.
Oh no. Oh no.
At 4:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Tonolingo, or 11
What?
miles northwest of Delaware Grace, moving east
What?
at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar radar indicated. Impact. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall.
Oh!
This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible.
Wow.
Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations in
Oh, that's a really long impact.
Aberdeen has Delaware Grace, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Calvert, Delaware South, Delaware North, Riverside, Northeast, Rising Sunshine, Perryman, Charlestown, Zion, Lake, Hartsdale, West Nottingham, October.
Pretty much the only radios that activated for this were Jensen and Eton.
Protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe
Norbert, that's my brother being annoying.
following counties in Maryland, Cecil, and Hartford. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until
Okay, well, no EON tones?
in western.
Here we go. Oh my god, that's loud.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a severe
You
thunderstorm
stupid recom.
Western Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Southwestern Delaware County in southeastern
Oh.
Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm.
Well, it can't always be severe thunderstorm warnings and special rain warnings. It has to be like something else.
Hazard 70 miles per hour.
Oh my god, 70.
Quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include
Oh no,
Irvington,
Jensen
Newark,
didn't need to
Westchester,
activate.
Coatesville, Westtown, Downingtown, Elmere, Kennett Square, Newcastle, Oxford, Marcusburg, West Grove, Newport, Homeville,
Unrecognized watch.
Stanton, Cheney, North Star, and Glasgow.
Most expected
Prepare
thing.
immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move
I am just shocked.
strong buildings.
I am absolutely shocked.
Windows. To report
I
severe weather,
I know I'm not under risk, but I am absolutely
we
shocked.
will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester and Delaware, and Newcastle, Delaware. The following is a
You serious? Again?
Hartford County in northern Maryland, East Central Baltimore County in northern Maryland, Cecil County in northeastern Maryland until 6:15
Elton's under it.
At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Perry Hall, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour. Source: Emergency Management reports a history of downed trees with this line of storms. Impact:
Oh my god.
winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles.
Oh,
Locations impacted include
that's crazy.
Contierville, Elkton, Aberdeen,
What did they just say?
Aberdeen Proving Ground, Calvert, Towson,
That's a lot of logs, my boy.
Delaware North, Kearney, Perry Hall, Rosedale, Rossville, Timonium, White Marsh, Boston, and Riverside. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
Wow.
Remember, if you can hear thunder,
You were close enough to be struck by lightning.
torrential rain.
Rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until for the following counties in Maryland.
Baltimore, in the Maryland independent city of Baltimore.
Wow.
Here is the official National Weather.
Seriously?
In Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a tornado warning for
Whoa!
northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania
crap.
until 5:30 p.m. At 5:02 p.m.
First
a
TOR.
extremely dangerous tornado was located
What?
over Landenberg, 7 miles north of
What?
moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly
PDS tornado warning?
Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation.
Holy crap.
Intact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter.
I'm shaking right
Will
now.
be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Westchester, Chester,
It's a PDS.
Kennett Square, West Grove, Newport, Arden, Stanton, Cheney, North Star, Tallyville, Elam, Lima, Pike Creek, Chelsea, Ashland, and Great Idaho. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is developing. To protect your life, take cover
This
now.
is so rare from Mount Holly.
Or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid
The San Gene always does,
if you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded
I am
roadways.
shaking right now.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester and Delaware, and Newcastle, Delaware.
Wait, never mind. This is not the end. There's still a Wheatland test. Here we go. Jensen, shut up.
Warning device for station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
And I forgot to put the zone guard on.
Situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur
Think
even
we
before
was using good quality receiver and Berber were in order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania, Berks, Butts, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Web Radio All Hazards, station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Web Radio All Hazards.